Okay, for me, a four-wheel drive which has an unrivaled driving experience is the new Range Rover, and we do very well with these cars. We sell them at the right price and we buy the ones with the right specification. And this is a 74 plate vehicle, done 4,000 miles. It's a D350, 350 horsepower, 3-litre diesel Range Rover. It's the SE spec with over and above options. Now, massive saving from list. Just built this car on Land Rover's website. It would cost you £117,000 if you wanted a brand new one. And with our live pricing, this is £103,990. Now that is a great deal for the newest registration number. It also has the most desirable options of the exterior shadow pack and the 23-inch wheels with black braking calipers. And by the way, this is a full black car, so black wheels, black exterior, Santorini black colour, and a black interior. It's my sort of car, this. I really like the way this car looks and drives because it's a 350 horsepower, so it's got the bigger engine. Still fuel efficient, still an unrivaled driving experience, you know, for a four-wheel drive, and we sell a multitude of different ones of the best four-wheel drives, by the way. For me, this drives as good as anything because of the way it operates inside and out. It's got all-wheel steering. Again, the bigger horsepower car like this does make a difference. It really shifts. Heated steering wheel, heated front and rear seats. This car's got opening sunroof as an option. It's also got a factory deployable tow bar. Now that is a big feature on a Range Rover. Not many people select that option. It's very costly to put on, but someone looking for a Range Rover who wants to spend this sort of money will really appreciate that deployable tow bar from the factory. I'll show you that. Privacy glass in the rear, electric rear seats, rear climate control with rear seat heating. This car comes with soft closed doors, Meridian sound system, plus a host of other features that you'll enjoy on a daily basis, like air suspension, but it's really the exterior look that these cars sell for. Typically the Santorini black with the 23-inch wheels. This car has more and more features as we go around. So big boot space, obviously we've got everything in place, including the parcel shelf, but this cluster of buttons here will show you the air suspension, when you can drop the car and raise it there, and then we've got the deployable tow bar. So if I close the boot, which is assisted, you'll see now the tow bar come out. And it's a real fancy, great way of pulling something because you don't have to bend down, attach and detach the tow bar. It's just there nice and neatly for you when you need it. Now, of course, in the new Range Rover, this is a facelifted model on a 74, which I'll explain to you why inside. You've got the 23-inch wheels in gloss black, also the black braking calipers. I'll get there in the end. It makes a big difference to the look of the exterior of the vehicle. Keyless entry, adaptive cruise. In the mirror, you'll see the blind spot assist, and then into the door, memory seat for driver and passenger. We've got the Meridian sound system, like I've said, and the Napa leather interior in black. Premium cabin lighting, which you'll probably just pick out down the center console. We've also got grand black veneer, which is an option in a Range Rover, which just modernizes the car. Some of them come with wood, which I really like, but most people will like the glossy finish to that center console. Facelifted model has taken the dials away from the center tunnel and now put all the climate control into the screen, which this has. Keyless start on the car, and then into reverse, just show you some nice features of the Range Rover. We've got self-park, we've got top view camera, reverse camera, 3D surround view camera. This car also comes with a towing camera because we've got the deployable tow bar, wireless smartphone integration and wireless phone charging, which is situated just under there. I love the seating position of these, so comfortable. If you've never driven one, it drives like an absolute dream, like on a cloud, but still nice and quick. And all the premium finishes like the Napa leather steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heated wheel, which is great as well. And we've got the black headlining, another option in this car with the sliding roof. So it comes fully equipped for what you'd want for a four-wheel drive. For me, it's the exterior look that will sell it. Price point is also really, really key. When you're looking at one of these on a 74 plate, this should be the best price one, like for like, for the spec, the age and the mileage in the UK. Why pay list price from Land Rover when you can get one which is as good as new like this from the best car retailer in the UK? That is us. Thanks for watching.